Welcome to Skillify AI Advanced Machine Learning Engineering Program. This is your gateway to becoming a production-ready machine learning engineer. Over 12 months and 288 plus hours of live instruction, you will go from fundamentals all the way to building and deploying real ML systems, complete with Excel, Power BI, and large language model integration. Let us explore what this program has in store for you. The program is a comprehensive 12-month journey structured as 48 weeks. Every week you attend 2 live sessions of 3 hours each, giving you 6 hours of live instruction per week. The learning style combines theory with hands-on labs, real system building, and full data visualization using Excel and Power BI. This program is ideal for software engineers, data analysts, computer science graduates, and professionals looking to transition into AI and machine learning roles. The only prerequisites are basic Python knowledge and high school level mathematics. The curriculum is divided into 8 phases that build progressively. Phase 0 covers programming, math, Excel, and Power BI foundations in weeks 1 to 5. Phase 1 introduces core machine learning in weeks 6 to 11. Phase 2 covers advanced mathematics and optimization in weeks 12 to 15. Phase 3 covers advanced classical ML with XGBoost and LightGBM in weeks 16 to 21. Phase 4 focuses on deep learning in weeks 22 to 29. Phase 5 explores NLP, transformers, BERT, GPT, and RAG pipelines in weeks 30 to 37. Phase 6 teaches ML ops and production deployment in weeks 38 to 43. Phase 7 covers advanced AI topics in weeks 44 to 48. In Phase 0 you master Python fundamentals including object-oriented programming, NumPy, and Pandas. You study linear algebra, calculus, and probability for machine learning. 3 dedicated days on Excel cover pivot tables, data cleaning, and statistical analysis. 4 dedicated days on Power BI cover DAX, dashboard design, and publishing. The deliverable is a complete data analysis project with a Power BI dashboard. In Phase 1 you implement linear and logistic regression from scratch. You master decision trees, random forests, and support vector machines. You learn model evaluation using accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and ROC. The deliverable is an end-to-end ML project with a Power BI performance dashboard. Phase 2 covers advanced mathematics and optimization. You go deep into matrix calculus including gradients, Jacobians, and Hessians. You implement gradient descent in batch, stochastic, and mini-batch variants. You master advanced optimizers including ADAM, RMS prop, and DataGrad. The deliverable is implementing optimizers from scratch with convergence analysis in Power BI. Phase 3 covers advanced classical ML. You work with XGBoost, LightGBM, and CatBoost, understanding their internals. You perform hyperparameter tuning and handle imbalanced data using SMOT. You apply dimensionality reduction with PCA, TSNE, and UMAP. The deliverable is a Kaggle-style competition project with a Power BI model comparison dashboard. Phase 4 covers deep learning foundations. You build neural networks from scratch using backpropagation. You learn PyTorch and TensorFlow with tensors and AutoGrad. You study convolutional neural networks including ResNet, VGG, EfficientNet, and transfer learning. You understand recurrent networks including RNN, LSTMs, and GRU for sequence modeling. Your deliverable includes an image classification model and a text generation model tracked in Power BI. Phase 5 covers NLP, transformers, and large language models. You study word embeddings, word2vec, and GloVe. You master the transformer architecture with self-attention. You deep dive into BERT and GPT architectures. You build RAG pipelines for intelligent queue and systems. Your deliverable is a RAG-based chatbot plus a fine-tuned LLM with usage analytics in Power BI. Phase 6 covers ML ops and production ML. You design end-to-end ML pipelines with data validation. You deploy models using REST API, Docker containers, and Kubernetes orchestration. You monitor production systems for data drift and concept drift. You work with ML flow and weights and biases for experiment tracking. You explore cloud platforms including AWS SageMaker, Google Vertex AI, and Azure ML. Your deliverable is a fully deployed ML system with a monitoring dashboard. Phase 7 covers advanced topics in the final 4 weeks. You tackle computer vision with YOLO object detection. You study time series forecasting with ARIMA and Profit. You build recommender systems using collaborative filtering. You learn responsible AI with Lime and SHAP explainability. Your final deliverable is a specialized ML project with a comprehensive Power BI analytics dashboard. Throughout the program you build 5 major capstone projects, all integrating Python, SQL, and Power BI. Project 1 is an AI-powered lead scoring engine using XGBoost and LightGBM with a sales analytics Power BI dashboard. Project 2 is a real-time fraud detection system with a live monitoring Power BI dashboard. Project 3 is an LLM-powered customer support AI, a RAG-based chatbot with fine-tuning and interaction analytics. Project 4 is a large-scale recommendation engine using collaborative filtering with a SQL backend and user behavior dashboard. Project 5 is a computer vision application using YOLO object detection with a model performance Power BI dashboard. By graduation you will have a production-grade GitHub portfolio and a certified ML engineer credential. The program comes with outstanding benefits. 288 plus hours of live interactive instruction with ML experts. 7 dedicated days of Excel and Power BI training integrated into every project. Hands-on labs, where you build real ML systems throughout the program. Full Python SQL Power BI integration across all phases. One-on-one mentorship with working ML engineers for personalized guidance. Comprehensive career support including resume building, interview preparation, and job referrals to hiring partners. Cloud GPU credits for training deep learning models. Lifetime access to all recorded sessions, and the Skillify AI graduate community. The total program fee is 250,000 rupees, covering the full 12 months. Skillify AI offers 3 flexible payment options. Option 1 is full payment. Pay 235,000 rupees upfront, and save 15,000 rupees. This is the best value option. Option 2 is quarterly installments. 4 payments of 64,000 rupees each. Option 3 is monthly EMI. 12 payments of 22,500 rupees each. This is the most flexible option. Merit-based scholarships are also available. Contact the Skillify AI team to learn more. Applying to the program is a straightforward 5-step process. Step 1. Submit your online application, which takes just 15 minutes. Step 2. Complete a basic Python and mathematics assessment within 2 to 3 business days. Step 3. Attend a 30-minute video interview with the admissions team. Step 4. Receive your admission decision within 48 hours. Step 5. Complete your payment and receive your welcome package to begin your journey. The program starts from fundamentals, so do not worry if you are not an expert yet. Upon successful completion of the program, you earn the Certified Machine Learning Engineer credential from Skillify AI. Your certification is LinkedIn verified and industry recognized. You graduate with a portfolio of 5 production-grade ML projects, all with integrated Power BI dashboards. You will be qualified for top ML roles including ML Engineer, Applied AI Engineer, ML Ops Engineer, and Data Scientist. Do you need a CS degree? No. All technical backgrounds are welcome. Do you need advanced coding skills? No. Basic Python is sufficient because we teach from foundations. Is job assistance provided? Absolutely, including resume help, interview prep, and referrals to hiring partners. Are you ready to build machine learning systems that actually ship to production? Skillify AI Advanced Machine Learning Engineering program gives you everything you need. From Python fundamentals to large language models. From Excel to Power BI. From notebooks to Kubernetes. Applications are open now, and seats are limited for the next cohort. Reach out at info1@skillify.com or call +91 8840982720. Visit skillify.com to learn more. Apply today at skillify.com/apply. Your journey to becoming a certified ML engineer starts